This video is about right triangle trigonometry. In the following diagram, ABCD is the square base of a right pyramid with a vertex V. The center of the base is O. The diagonal of the base, AC, is 8 centimeters long. The angle VAO is 60 degrees. Let's go to A. Find the exact value of VO and VA. In right triangle VOA, corresponding to angle 60 degrees, we know this is a opposite side, this is a adjacent side, and a hypotenuse side. For OA, that is half of CA, is 4 centimeters. We got to use secant tower. If we're looking for VO, you are given A and O. So OA, you got to use a tangent. So tangent 60 degrees equals O over A, that is VO over 4. Then cross multiply. The same line with the variable go to denominator. So you get the over 1, 4 times the tangent 60 degrees. Tangent 60 degrees, that's a square root of 3. So your answer is 4 square root of 3. We are looking for VA. We got to use cosine because AH, that's cosine. So we have cosine 60 degrees equals A, that is 4, over VA. So cross multiply. You have VA equals the same line with the variable go to denominator. So cosine 60 degrees. Then here's 4. Cosine 60, that's 1 over 2. This is a complex fraction. So the denominator will jump. You will get the 4 times 2 is 8 centimeters. This is centimeters. Let's go to B. Find the length of AB. We know the base is a square. So let me draw over here. This is a square. So we label as A, B, C, D. We know the CA. This is 8. We are looking for AB. Let's label as X. This is all X. You can use trigonometry, or you can use Pythagorean theorem. Let's do the Pythagorean theorem. In triangle DCA, this is a right triangle. We know the x squared plus x squared equals 8 squared. So you have 2x squared equals 64. And x squared, we divide by 2 both sides, you will get 32. Then we will do square root both sides. You will get x equals square root of 32. We can simplify 4 times 8. For 8, you can keep doing 4 times 2. So square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 2. This is a multiplication. So you get the 4 square root of 2. If you know square root of 32 equals 16 times 2, then you can get the 4 square root of 2. When you simplify radicals, make sure use the perfect square as a factor. That is AB, 4 square root of 2. For C, find the length of VE. For this VE, we will use the Pythagorean theorem again. So this is 8. AE will be half of AB. That is 2 square root of 2. In right triangle AVE, we know the VE square equals hypotenuse side, that's 8 square minus 2 square root of 2 square. You will get the 64 minus 2 square is 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. So you will get 56. For VE square equals 56, then we can do the square root both sides. VE equals, for square root of 56, you can get 4 times 14. So you get the 2 square root of 14. That's 2 square root of 14 will be the VE. Let's go to D. Find the angle OEV. So I connect OE, then label this is a theta. In right triangle VOE, we know the VO, that is 4 square root of 3. We already figured out VE, that is 2 square root of 14. This is the opposite side. This is a hypotenuse side. So using secant Torah, we will use a sine. For sine theta equals opposite, that's 4 square root of 3 over 2 square root of 14. Then we can get theta equals inverse sine of, you don't have to simplify, just leave as it is. 4 square root of 3, 2 square root of 14. Make sure the mode is a degree, because we're looking for degree. Enter. Then quit. So you will do second sine, inverse sine. We will do alpha y equals, enter. Top will be 4 square root 3. Then the denominator will be 2 times the square root of 14. Parentheses back, enter. So angle will be 67.8 at the 3 significant figures. So angle OEV equals 67.8 degree.